In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this glowing background logo image. This is how the scene looks like, but this setup is only for cycles. We won't get the same result, even if we're using Bloom with Eevee. Let's create a text object. Go to Edit mode, and change the text to logo. The idea is to have a duplicated text object, and use one of them as the background glow with an emission shader. Let's extrude the duplicated text object, and by the way I used a Shift-D shortcut to duplicate the text object. For this setup, we need to have a ground plane, otherwise it would be hard to see the background glow. In edit mode, right-click and type S to subdivide it 15 times. Let's randomize the faces. I'll show you the material details. Try using different material combinations, such as metallic or different colors. I found it's better to match the glowing color with the ground color. Here are my sky texture details. Let's render the file, and go to the compositor. Here are my composite node details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.